everyone, just wanted to do a quick video on how you can make popcorn in the microwave really cheap without having to buy the ready-made microwave popcorn bags. So you just need a brown paper bag, like a brown lunch bag. Let's open that up. And then some popcorn kernels. And just want to put in, I don't know, making a mess. Maybe 4 spoonfuls. Then you need some kind of oil spray. I have olive oil spray, and you don't need very much. And you don't really taste the olive oil, but yeah, you just spray it in there, and then salt, and you can flavor it afterwards with whatever you want. Shake the bag up, and then you just have to fold it. Like so. Throw it in your microwave for 1.5 minutes, and then it's good to go. Just dump your popcorn out. Come on. And you're good to go. Cheap, healthy, easy way to make microwave popcorn. Take care, everyone. Bye.